Okay, now we're gonna pull that back. All right, this is the simple tool that you're gonna need in order to retract the piston, and it just goes right in between here, and it uses a little bit of a ratcheting technique to push it back in. Super easy to use. We're gonna place that right in between. You just wanna push down on it a little bit, give it a little bit of pressure, keep it in place the first couple. And once it gets going, it'll lock in. You can see that piston is getting pushed right back in. It's exactly what we want so that we can fit those new brake pads. Okay, when it begins to get tight, flip this the other way. Just go up. We'll pull right out. We have to make sure that we hook that to something so that it doesn't cause tension on that brake line. So we're just gonna hook it up in place. These actually come in the kit. 2 of these come in the kit. Now we can hang that caliper up and out of the way. Should be good right there.